What if one protein could help fix leaky gut and reduce depression? New research suggests this may one day be possible by targeting the powerful gut-brain connection. Scientists explain that chronic stress doesn't just affect the mind, it also damages the gut. Normally, the gut lining acts like a filter, letting nutrients in while keeping toxins out. But under long-term stress, this barrier can weaken, creating what's often called leaky gut. When harmful bacteria and toxins escape into the bloodstream, the immune system reacts with inflammation, and that inflammation may worsen depression symptoms. Researchers discovered that stress lowers levels of a protein called reelin. Reelin is found throughout the body, including the brain and intestines, and plays a key role in brain health, mood regulation, and repairing the gut lining. This makes reelin a powerful link between the gut and the brain. In preclinical studies, scientists found that chronic stress reduced reelin levels in the gut. The gut barrier became weaker, and inflammation increased. But here's the breakthrough. A single injection of reelin restored normal protein levels, repaired the gut barrier, and produced antidepressant-like effects. Earlier studies also showed that people with depression tend to have lower reelin levels in the brain. The gut lining renews itself every 4 to 5 days, but only if the body has the right support. Scientists believe reelin helps protect this renewal process. By preventing gut leakage, reelin may reduce inflammation and protect mental health at the same time. While more research is still needed before human treatments become available, scientists say this discovery opens a new path for treating depression, one that focuses on healing the gut as well as the brain. One protein, one connection. A new way to think about mental health.